Turning kind of sharp on this motherfucker, ain't it? All right. You can't see. Look at that pulley. Ooh. What's good, YouTube? Bashmo back in the building, man. Today we have another video. Let me wipe this lens real quick. Make sure y'all can see clear. There we go. And today I'm in my RT. This is the first video I'm gonna upload on YouTube, man. I gotta upload something. I gotta get more comfortable on the camera. My face looking a little messy right now. I got a little acne popping out, so I ain't even trying to show myself. But I want to get into to a topic real quick with y'all boys. Anybody who's interested in buying an RT, Scat Pack, you know, whatever it is, whether you should get the RT, which is what I got right now, or should you get the goddamn Scat Pack. So I'm gonna take y'all for a little drive. I'm not gonna pay too much attention to what I'm recording, just so I could drive safely, you know what I mean? But let's see, what's a good angle? About right there. Y'all can probably see really. Yeah. And y'all can see how I set up the back to get that bass bumping. Once y'all get, bro, I don't know, it might just be the Challenger, but once y'all get one of these, y'all gonna see, man, you gotta kind of throw that seat down to get it to bump a little harder. I got 212s back there, and it hit way better when I put the seat down. But anyways, back to the topic, man. Let me crack these windows and put this AC down. Let me crack these windows just so y'all can hear a little bit outside too. We're in the sport mode. This thing. Oh yeah. Should you get an? Goddamn. Nah. Just love that goddamn feeling, boy. Turning kind of sharp on this motherfucker, ain't it? All right. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. All right, so let's put the windows up. Should you get an RT? Should you get a Scat Pack? What should you do? What is your budget range? Now, if you're looking at these cars, you're probably looking from 30 to 40,000, and then you got to remember, out the door, you're gonna be, if it's 30, it's gonna be like 35. If it's 40, it's gonna be like 45. So if you're doing a $45,000 loan, at $50,000, you're paying $1,000 a month. Plus the interest, whatever interest rate you get, it's gonna be a little more. So with a car like this, I was lucky enough to go out the door like 35, put like 3 down. So I'm looking around like 630 car payment. But the biggest thing on these cars is the insurance. But it doesn't matter whether you get the Scat, the Hellcat, RT, all the insurance is gonna be the same. I don't know how the V6 ones work, but I do know for sure all the V8s, you're gonna be paying a hefty price on that insurance, at least in Florida. So I'm gonna just tell you, the average for a young person like me, I'm 24, is gonna be around $500. So now you got 625, 500, you're looking at 1130, my bad, with the 630. So 1130 for an RT. Now, if I get the Scat Pack, if I was to get a Scat Pack, the only difference will change is my car payment. It would be around 800. So I could probably get around 800, 900. So I'd be paying 800, 900, so let's just say like 300 more. I'll be paying close to 300 more. So that 1130 turns to 1430, right? So that 1430 is probably what I spend with gas with this car. So I'll be spending that with a Scat without the gas, and it's gonna be more expensive to put gas in that car. But for a daily driver, man, I think the RT is the better choice. It's not, the gas is still crazy. I mean, I never owned a car like this. I did a big jump. I had an old pickup truck before, so I did my bad, you guys couldn't see too well. I did a big jump. But what I would say, let's get around this real quick. Oh my god, that sound is just so sexy. Let's vibe out a little. I'm not even looking for police. So I would say, bro, if you like, you know, the Scat is a bigger flex for sure, but it definitely costs that bag to flex a little harder, you know what I mean? And then this is just a car I've always dreamed of having. So man, I'm just happy to be able to have it, especially have the RT version of it. And man, I'm just fully blessed. We're probably gonna head straight. Nah, let's go a little roundabout to Sheridan. So I'm just blessed to have this car, man. I love this goddamn car so much. Every single day, I love it so much. I let my twin drive it. I let my people, you know, close family, everybody drive it a little, have some fun in it. Because it's just, bro, I never thought I'd have something like this. And for anybody who doesn't believe that one day they're going to have something like this, I promise you, if you just believe it, you'll make it happen. We got a V6 one there. It's a lot of Chargers and Challengers, and you're going to see more V6s than anything. I do see a lot of Scats, and I see a good amount of Hellcats too. I'm trying to drive safe here, guys. It's the first time recording me driving, doing a video like this. But damn, that's with the windows closed. Like, That outside actually be crazy, especially when you throw that thing in manual. But I'm not doing that with one hand. Sheridan Street. Yeah, man. So you guys got to make that decision. But I'm gonna guess if you're in Florida, to own one of these is gonna be about 15, close to 15 range, 100 a month. This is an RT and a Scat Pack. You're probably looking with gas around 17, 1800 a month. Yeah, that's, you could rent an apartment for that price. So you guys got to really put your priorities straight and see what you're doing. If you have a good living situation where you're not probably still with your parents or whatever it is like that, you plan to be there for a while. Here, all the housing is all crazy, and apartments, like the rentals, all crazy. So it's kind of pointless to move out, because if you're gonna rent an apartment, you might as well save that money to buy something. And then to buy something is so expensive right now that we're waiting for it to drop. So right now it's kind of like in that middle situation to where it doesn't make sense to rent, but at the same time, if like I'm lucky enough to be able to stay at the crib, and my parents, they do whatever they want, man. They go wherever they want, they do whatever they want, and everything is pretty good at the house right now. So I'm able to stay there comfortably and not have to pay too. Obviously I help out, but I'm not paying nothing too crazy over there. So man, this is all off of barbering, man. It's all off of cutting hair, you know. I'm able to achieve what I want to do, you know, achieve my dreams and my goals and everything that I want in life. I just work hard for it and put myself out there, man, and good things come, man. This is possible for everybody. If you guys ask me, Scat or RT, it depends on your budget, right? Now, if you have a higher budget, grab the fucking Scat. Cause I like, even having this, sometimes I do think like a Scat would be nice, but I never had a car like this before. So for me, it's better to get the RT because I'm able to learn how to drive a car with such a big motor. You know what I mean? Like when I did this the first time, and oh, look at that pool, look at that shit. Look at that fucking, like, god damn, like, I couldn't imagine a Scat, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta really just see what makes you happy and how you guys gonna feel, because if you're gonna be driving this and not feel like it's fast for the entire time you with it, and you could afford a Scat, you might as well. Oh, there's a cop right behind me. Oh well, let's see what happens. You might as well grab the Scat. It's really up to you. So it's really what you guys can afford. Nah, he turned the other lane, we good. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Look at that police. You can't see it. Look at that police. Ooh. Yeah, I definitely hit that on there too, going quick 60. Yeah, luckily I've never been pulled over. I had a car for about 2 months now, man. I've done a little bit of crazy stuff, but I try to keep it low key. But man, you guys make the decision, depending on your budget, depending on the bread you're making, and keep God first. And achieve all your goals, achieve all your dreams, man. Stay positive, keep positive people around you, stay motivated. And always make sure that you get a little bit better every single day to be your best self. I appreciate y'all boys watching. Drop down in the comments whether you copping a Scat or RT or shit, a Hellcat if you can, which is crazy to me, because them Hellcat power in that Hellcat is crazy, man. I don't even know how people do that sometimes, really, to be honest with you. But I haven't been in one yet, so one day I'm gonna get in one and see how that feels. But I appreciate y'all boys watching. Appreciate you if you stay to the end of the video. And that's pretty much it, man. Y'all have a good one. Peace.